I've realized that nature is one of the therapeutic items that we take for granted. Like sometimes just sitting outside, hearing the birds chirping, sitting outside, peeping over the sunset is therapeutic enough for you to have a good day. I have very less time to do all the things that I want to do. That's why sometimes I don't do my morning routine very well. So every morning I make sure that I take a cup of warm water with lemon. This time around I didn't have lemon. And then I make sure that I have something to eat in the morning. Usually I don't eat anything in the morning, which is really bad for my health because at work I only have unhealthy options like magwinya, fresh and things like that. I do love them, but sometimes I have a little bit of guilt. I feel guilty sometimes when I eat them because I know that they're not really healthy for my body, because I'm really trying to take that healthy part. So this is muesli. I mix it together with my oats to make them sweet. I don't like putting milk in my oats. That's why I'm putting water and putting a little bit of muesli to add that little sweetness that I want. I know that this is weird. I don't like switching on my lights in the morning because I'm so grumpy and I'm still half asleep, half awake. One thing about me, I love scented candles with all of my heart, and this one, I love it so much. It smells of rain. Every day, so I like to have a little bit of salt. It never hurts anyone, you know. So I'm making an egg to eat with my rice cake. Then I'm done with my breakfast. Watering my plant, you know, chilling with nature vibes, being one with nature, loving and taking care of nature. It takes care of you back. Good morning, guys. Today the weather is really weathering, hey? It's really weathering. Hey, today's Friday, guys. Please don't mind the things in the background. Sure, because I'm planning to go and sleep over at my friend's place. Today's Friday, so yeah. How are you guys doing, like mentally? Because I'm doing good. What time is it? Oh, since I got 1 minute. I'm late to work. I'm late to work, but I'm gonna get there, right? Like, better late than never. Okay, so guys, weather forecast showed that today we're so cold that we won't be able to raise our toes. But it's not. But my phone I'm in Motswana, so guys, don't mind. I'm driving. Hey, the sun is out to play. Let me open the window so that the mist can actually go out, because I can see the mist is inside, and I don't wanna switch on my aircon because it eats fuel like crazy. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. So I'm going to get my drone that I've ordered a long time ago. It has been at the warehouse. I didn't have money to get it, so long because not like I have the money to get it. But hell, I'm gonna get it, because if it stays for 3 months at the warehouse, they confiscate it.
I think I left my conscience on your front doorstep. Oh, wait a minute. I think I left my consciousness in a 6th dimension. But I'm here right now, juicing in a cloud. Oh, I'm here right now with you.
Rabona shop where they sell fruits and veggies, and we started to buy dragon fruit. And we're going to try it for the first time.
Run my hands through your hair. You wanna run your fingers through mine, but my dress too fake, baby, that's alright. Hold on, wait a minute. Feel my heart's intention. Hold on, wait a minute. I left my consciousness in the 6th dimension.
It's gonna be so cute. That's why I bought it. Okay, guys, you only eat the inside. So I will explain how to taste the young. This is the first time I get taste that, so it's not sweet. I don't know. In a little sweet, and it has the in a little dear coconut somehow. Like busut coconut. It's not sweet, mild sweet. Even that taste dion, and then this seeds they're edible. They're edible and hard. They just nice. I think it would be good for fruit salad. On its own, I won't eat it every day, but with fruit salad, it's really good. It will be really good for a fruit salad. So that is my take on this. Hey guys, I look a little bit ghetto right now. Well, whatever, right? But here is my drone. Here's my drone. It's black in color, so we're gonna open it so that you guys can see how it looks. Woo! And if you want to know if you want to purchase it, you can just comment down below. I'll give you guys the information. So this is my drone. Is this small, or should I say big? I don't know. It looks like this, but right now I cannot. It comes with an extra battery. I got another extra battery for a charge, of course. I cannot quite remember how much it is, but I paid half, and then today I paid the last half. So I'll guess, because today I paid 220, I'll guess that the drone was 440, so it was 440. So this is So this is the remote, I guess. And let me see. I don't. What's in it? That like a sin. Because I don't think. I don't think so. So yeah, it's a battery pod. I put the 3 batteries inside. I'll have to buy batteries because I don't have batteries now. This is for, I think this these are extra wings. These are extra wings. I don't know this what this does. Yo. Okay. So this is the big boys. This is the big boys. It's Friday, it's raining outside. The weather is perfect to just chill at home, PJs, and watch whatever you watch, Netflix, Showmax, or whatever. I'm just gonna close this vlog here because it's been so cute and I don't want to mess it up.
Bobby.